welcome back to our channel City Closers. I hope everyone is doing good. So today we will be capturing another project, which is a villa property. So this is located in one of the most prestigious zone of Bangalore, which is getting developed day by day. And yes, you are guessing right, it is North Bangalore. So the property which is we will be showcasing you right now is located in Sadahalli, one of the best location because quite a good IT parks are nearby, and all the other facilities are there, closer to the national highway, closer to the international airport road, easy accessible from the Hebbal or Yelahanka or even the Budigere, also from KIDB Aerospace Tech Park, which is very famous these days. So let me tell you that this project is not by a builder where if I mention the builder name, you must say that yes, you have heard about it. But yeah, once we show you the villa project, you will definitely feel to at least come and visit and experience the originality or experience the way this villa has been constructed. Okay, so this is located in actual 17 acres of land parcel, where the 15 acres of land parcel we have individual plots which was sold in 2020 at the cost of 3,500 per square feet, where right now that particular plot costing is 7,000 or 7,500 square feet. Now let me tell you why I have been explaining you about this, just to give you the experience that how the price appreciation has happened. Okay, coming back to this particular villa, so this is located in 2 acres 18 guntas of land parcel, where you have only 25 villas, very luxurious and super duper luxurious villas. So this particular project is constructed by SNS Properties. Yes, they are the builders, and they have already completed their 2 to 3 projects in KR-Puram. Let me tell you that this particular builder is also upcoming with a wonderful project where 300 villas will be, and that will be in our East Bangalore. Coming back to this project, as I said, 25 villas we have, out of which 15 villas have been sold out, and very well designed 4 BHK villas where you have the UDS on your name. So out of the UDS, like 45% will be registered on the client's name, the plot will be registered on the client name, and as well as the villa, which is probably 3,400 square feet. So let me tell you, viewers, so total number of villas are 25, out of which 15 villas have been sold out. So let me tell you, when any buyer is buying the villa over here, you get the land on your name, you get the super built up area, the construction area will be on your name, plus the benefit is the UDS, 45% of UDS also will be given to you. This particular project has amenities, has 45% of open space and very well constructed. We will be showing you the all other villas as well, which is the structure has come up, and you might feel that the work is still pending, but no. Builder has left out so that any of the home buyer would like to do any slight changes, they can do as per their own choice, right? So the tentatively pricing of the villa would be somewhere 10,500 per square feet. And when we talk about the dimension and the plot area, you have 1,500, you have 1,550 square feet, and you have 1,860 square feet as a plot area, on which the construction will be done as 3,400 plus or minus square feet, right? And yeah, so let me tell you, right now we are on terrace area. So this is the terrace part. You can see that this is the original grass, not the artificial grass. A little part of the original grass, and towards your right side there is a black marble space. I mean, marble has been given of the L shape. So this is the barbecue setup has been done, where you can, one can enjoy the party or with the family time. And top, if you can see, the toughened glass has been given. Also there is a sit out area over this side. I must say, if 10 or 15 group of friends comes, easily we can enjoy on this terrace area. Yeah, let me tell you that this particular project is RERA received, OC received, and BIAPA approval plus A Khata. So these are the features of the project, and it has a double ceiling height with 6,000 liter of auto filling sump as well. Lift is also provided by the builder. So yeah, quite a good features are there, and you know, one must definitely visit this particular project. So we have come on the first floor, and this side we can see this is the master bedroom, which is 17 by 12 in size with the wooden flooring, and a huge cupboard space have been given in the corner. Right here we have the window space, that's for the light and ventilation purpose. The other corner, yeah, you can create some, you know, TV unit or something we can place here. And in this corner we have restroom, attached restroom with the granite, you know, anti-skid granite marble. This corner can be utilized. Yeah, this corner can be utilized as a, you know, the dressing table, since it's a master bedroom. Now we are just coming out. Here we have a small sit-out area, double ceiling height, and this side we have kids room. Again, kids room also has been given with the wooden, you know, wooden flooring. You can see the height on, you know, like in each and every room, the height is really maintained very well. Very difficult to figure out this kind of height these days. And kids bedroom has a window here, again for the light and ventilation purpose, and it has an attached toilet with the same granite, you know, anti-skid granite marble. So now this is a small, you know, terrace kind of setup, I can say, or just a balcony. It's not actually small also, it's quite huge, where you can set up the 2 chairs or something. And this is again toughened glass has been given. Very well, you know, constructed and very spacious 4 BHK villa. This is the lift. Hydraulic lift will be provided. And on the second floor also we do have one more room. So I'm going in the lift. Yes, we are on the second floor of this 4 BHK villa, where we will be showing you one master bedroom. This is the, you know, ample space, and then towards my left there is a terrace area. Right now we are on an area which is, I can say, just a sit out right after the terrace, and this side you can see this is another bedroom, which you can consider as a bedroom, or if one can plan as a media room, they can definitely plan in that way also. Spacious dimension of the, you know, the rooms, and it has the marble flooring. In this corner we have sorry, this is not the marble flooring, it is wooden flooring actually. So 3 of the rooms you will see in the video, which is for the wooden flooring. And in the bathroom, this is you know, anti-skid, not the tiles, this is anti-skid granite. Very rare with the builder, you know, where the builder provides these kind of facilities. Yes, so this was all about a 4 BHK villa in SNS Properties, and the project name is, let me reveal now, it is AR Villas, situated at Sadahalli in North Bangalore. And if you like the video, please do
press the like button, and you can comment, because comments are very important for us, because we would love to hear from our home buyers, from our viewers, whether they are liking our videos, whether our videos are being beneficial for them. Also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do that. So see you in the next video. Thank you.